Today, I'm making Danny some baked granola. I'm starting out with cane syrup, butter, and brown sugar. I'm going to be putting that in a bowl and letting it heat on medium heat. I'm not boiling this, just melting it really good. To that, I'm going to be adding it to coconut and raisins and some blueberry puree that Empty Hammock took some of our blueberries back. Put them in a freeze dryer. This is what they look like. We crumble them up and add them to our oatmeal, our pecans, our almonds, our raisins, coconut. Mix it all up, pour the caramel over it, ready to go in the oven. Every 5 minutes I take it out, stir it. It starts turning a light brown at that point. After it starts getting to this consistency, you want to take it out. You want it to be kind of brown. Danny loves it. I put it in a Ziploc bag, and Danny is good to go with baked granola. Now for the no-bake granola. I used butter, honey, and brown sugar. Brought it to a boil, added salt and vanilla, and let it boil a minute. Added it to our oats, our Rice Krispies, and our Cheerios. Added some coconut, some of our blueberry puree, a few nuts, some craisins, and I mixed all of it together and added the caramel sauce that I had heated. Mixed it all up and just pressed it down into a pan. I put some wax paper down, put the granola on, and just pressed it down. It's supposed to make granola bars, but I should have made more of the caramel sauce because it didn't firm up. So we just put it in a bag, and this is our no-bake granola. Tastes awesome. This is great stuff. Thank you from Crazy Days.